Hello everyone, I am Arkaprava Chunari. My roll number is 21MI10013 and I am from section 6. And for our DIY assignment 3, I have tried to disassemble and then reassemble this keyboard. Here we can see that the keyboard is in full working order. For proving it, I have connected it with my laptop. And then here is the laptop screen. I am typing something using my keyboard. So here we can see the words are visible in the laptop screen. So the keyboard is functioning well. So here we can see there are three main parts of this keyboard, which are this alphanumeric keys. These are the here you can see the numeric keys and the navigator keys. So for disassembling this keyboard, we can see there are screws in the back part, and for disassembling it, for opening the screws, I'll use this screwdriver. So let us start this whole disassemble process. So for disassembling this keyboard, we have to turn it back. So we can see there are so many screws. So I have to disassemble it first using the screwdrivers. So after opening the screws, I am opening the chassis slowly now. So this is the lower chassis, you can see. So these are the main inter parts of the keyboard. So these are the two layers. And here we can see silicon keypads. These are connected with the keys of the keyboard. So let us see this two layers part. So it is the top layer, we can see that it is written here, and the second one is the bottom layer. These are the silicon keys, and here is the circuit board that is operating the whole keyboard. Now I will reassemble the whole system again. So after readjusting the circuit layers on the silicon caps, I am now putting back the lower chassis over it. So it has set perfectly over it. Now I will reassemble it by first adjusting the screws in the bottom part, in the middle part, and then the four corners. So after completely assembling the keyboard, I have again connected it with my laptop. We can see it is functioning well. Here is the laptop screen, and I will type something here using the keyboard. So here we can see the keys are functioning well. Thank you.